going to make a pop-up surprise box. Take a square piece of paper, any colour you choose, and fold it in half just like this. Then turn it around and fold it in half again, just like this. And now fold it in half as if it's a triangle, like this. And spin it around and do the same again. Now fold one corner into the middle and repeat with another corner. And the other corner. And finally the last corner. Now fold that box in half, like this. And fold it again. Like this. Just follow what I do. And remember, if you can't keep up, pause the video, rewind, and watch it all over again. Fold here. Open up the sides and fold in. And now we're going to try and turn it into a box shape. So we just kind of push in our folds like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Look at that! Box shape! Amazing! Now take another piece of paper and make another box. Can you follow what I'm doing? We're going to use our glue to stick this bit down. Amazing. And then we just slide our box right into the other one. Look at that. Oh, and we're going to write on here, on our little flap of our inner box, we're going to write pull. P-U-L-L. Pull. Now we've got 2 long green strips. What are we going to do with those, I wonder? We're going to use our glue and we're going to stick them together. Just like this, one end on the other end. Now we're going to fold over our strips. Just like this, to make a spring-like feature. Can you see what I'm doing? Fold and fold again. Just keep folding until you've got no paper left. Cool! A spring! Look at that! Awesome! And now we're going to attach 2 more bits of green paper. And we're going to fold them again. We're going to make this spring even bigger. Just keep folding. Oh, almost there. And a little bit more glue. Stick that bit down. We've made our spring. And it looks a bit like a caterpillar. Oh, we've got the hot glue gun this time, but you can use super glue if you want to. But if you do choose to use a hot glue gun, do ask your parents for permission and make sure they're there with you. Okay, and we just stuck our spring into our little box and pushed it down. Oh, it's a bit fiddly. Now we've got a box with a circle in the middle, and we're going to draw a little character on our circle. You can draw any character you like. We've decided to draw a scary character. we're going to use our glue stick to stick our scary face onto our spring, just like this. And now we're going to decorate our box. So we got a smiley face. Some cool stickers. That's a cute one. You can draw on your box or you can stick stickers on it, whatever you like. And there you have it, your very own pop-out surprise box. Surprise! Now you guys have a try. I can't wait to see what you send us. It's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Marianne. Marianne has sent in a picture of a pineapple. It looks amazing, very bold and great use of colour. Well done, Marianne. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!